Poor drainage around your home's foundation can totally wreck your house's stability without you even noticing until it's too late. So, here's the deal. When water pools up around your foundation, it starts messing with the soil that supports your house. First off, you want to make sure your gutters and downspouts are clean and directing water far away from the base of your home. It's super important to keep the ground sloping away from the foundation so water doesn't just hang out there. Adding a French drain or some kind of drainage system can be a game changer if water keeps sticking around. Also, don't forget to check for any cracks or gaps where water might sneak in and cause trouble. Keeping an eye on your landscaping helps too, because overgrown plants or poor soil can trap moisture near the foundation. If you notice water pooling after rain, fix it fast before it starts pushing against your foundation walls. The longer you wait, the more the hydrostatic pressure builds up, which is just a fancy way of saying the water is pushing hard against your foundation and causing cracks or even settling. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with foundation drainage problems is ignoring signs like cracks or damp basements, thinking they will go away on their own. This only makes things worse because the soil erosion and pressure keep increasing. Another common issue is having gutters that overflow or downspouts that dump water right next to the foundation. The fix here is simple. Clean those gutters regularly and extend downspouts away from the house at least 6 feet. Lastly, some folks forget to maintain proper grading around their home, so water flows toward the foundation instead of away from it. Regrading your yard so it slopes at least 1 inch per foot away from your house can really help prevent damage. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who actually need their services and want reliable help for their home projects.